tonight is a recognition of those who are making their mark on the world, blazing new trails, setting new trends through their passion and vision, and certainly for those who like to arrive in style.
It is my absolute honor to introduce you to the all-new Genesis G90.
The G90 is the flagship of the Genesis brand, and as such, it's the pinnacle of luxury.
And here tonight from Vogue to join our conversation on fashion and design is contributing editor Lynn Yeager.
I look for a certain kind of originality, a certain kind of fierce creativity.
Now, as we began investigating the world of fashion, we almost immediately recognized one label that stood out from the rest, none other than Monse. It is my pleasure to introduce Laura Kim and Fernando Garcia, co-creators and directors of Monse, and Oscar de la Renta to the stage.
Being yourself, being able to be yourself is like the most luxurious thing.
When you are able to express who you are outside of the stereotypical frames.